Hello guys, welcome back. So in this today's lecture, we are going to see what are the different types of transmission modes or communication modes in the computer networking. First, we'll try to understand what is the meaning of transmission mode or communication mode. Suppose if you want to exchange the information from the one computer to the another computer, we have the network media, right? It means that we have the connectivity, right? So here how this network media will be supported means how to information will be exchanged from this one computer to the another computer. Based on that we have the different transmission modes or communication modes. It means that either we can able to send the information from this PC1 to PC2, at the same time can we send the information from PC to PC1. So it may be some transmission mode, or if only can able to send the information either PC1 to PC2 or only it is possible from PC to PC1, this is another kind of the transmission mode. Or if someone is sending, other one should be stopped, or if other one is sending, the next one should be stopped. This is one way of the transmission mode, right? So these topics we are trying to understand in the today's lecture, right? So just read the statement. What is the meaning of this one? The way in which data is transmitted from the one device to the another device is known as the transmission mode, right? The transmission mode is defined in the physical layer. Later on we will see what is the meaning of physical layer. So after starting the OSI model architecture, right? So the transmission modes is divided into the three categories. One is simplex mode, another one is the half duplex mode, another one is the full duplex mode, right? So we'll try to understand what is the meaning of simplex mode as well as the half duplex mode. One more is the full duplex mode. It means that this part we are going to understand why, right? Either it will be supported the simplex mode or half duplex communication or full duplex mode communication, right? Now first we will see the what is the meaning of simplex mode. Now see that here we have the transmission mode, right? This transmission mode is only one way direction. What is the meaning of this one is, right? In simplex mode the communication is unidirectional. It means that either this is, let it be, this is your PC1, this is your PC2. If you want to send the information from here, it is possible, right? So a device can only send the device but cannot receive, right? Or it can receive the data but it cannot send. It means that only one way communication. If this guy or PC1 is sending the information to PC2, he will become the sender, he will become the receiver, right? If this guy want to send the information to this one, this cannot be possible, right? This mode we called as the simplex mode operation. Now we'll see what is the meaning of the next one is the half duplex mode. See that it is somehow two-way communication, right? We can send the information from the PC1 to PC2 as well as the PC to PC1, right? In earlier case only one way transmission, right? So but here again we have some restrictions or limitation. What is that restriction or limitation is that transmission in either direction, it means but not simultaneously. See, in half duplex channel the device can transmit and receive the data as well. Message flow in both direction but not at the same time. So what is the meaning of this one is, it will support, you can send the information from here to here or here to here. But if this guy is sending the information, this guy cannot able to send the information. You can send the information. Once this information is completed, then this guy will be able to send the information to the next devices. It means that it will support the simultaneous operation, but if this is sending, this cannot be sent. If this is sending, this cannot be sent. It means that two-way but not at the same time. So if you see that where this kind of half duplex we are using in the real-time scenarios means we might be having seen the walkie-talkies in our real life, right? So it's an example of the half duplex mode. In walkie-talkie, one party speaks. If one person speaks and another party or another person will listen, he cannot able to reply. Something you might be hearing that if some guy is speaking something, once after completion of his start, then he will tell that over. It means that the communication process is done. Now you can able to, if you want to some if you want to send the some information from here to here, you can send, right? It means that after a pause the other speak and the first party listen. Speaking simultaneously will create the distortion sound which cannot be understood, right? So this is what we called as the half duplex mode operation. Now what is the meaning of full duplex mode operation? Transmission in the both the way direction simultaneously. It means that if you want to send information, you send. The same time, if I want to send the information from here to here also, I can able to send. That is what we called as the full duplex mode operation. In full duplex mode, the communication is bidirectional. You can send at the same time from here to here, here to here. You can act as the sender, you can act as the receiver. Both can be possible, right? So the most common example of the full duplex mode is the telephone network. See, if you want to talk to your friend, you can talk. At the same time, your friend also can reply, right? You might be asking, in which case we are using simplex mode, in which case we are using half duplex mode, in which case we require the full duplex modes. That is completely depends upon the what kind of use case you require, right? So based on that, we are going for either simplex, half duplex, full duplex. Most probably we are going to use the full duplex mode only, right? Full duplex means transmission in the both the direction simultaneously. Simultaneous means at a time we can perform the operation. I hope you understand. Thank you guys.